And we're finally at our destination, Parrot Place. Here's Parrot Place. Parrot. Oh, I hear a parrot. I sure do hear a parrot. So let's get in. See this one, see this one. Oh, bro bites. Shit, bro bites. Alright. See, let me feed this guy. Yo, bro, wanna eat this one? Bro, he's eating an almond, I think. Bro, eat mine, eat mine, eat mine. I really want him to eat mine. Please don't eat my hand. Oh. Yay, let's go, let's go, let's go, bro. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Let's go, bro, eat it. Let's go. Victory. It's so fun feeding them. Let me get some more. We're gonna get everything. Let's feed this parrot. Hey, bro. Hey. Yeah. Let's go. Mission successful. Bro's the final boss. Yo, bro, what's up? Peace. See this. Yo. Hey, where with? That's my favorite boy. He's chill as hell. King Parrot at the back. Bro's ready. Nah, bro, not you, not you. You're way too scary. Ooh. Yeah, way too scary. See, King Parrot. This King Parrot. This Lactus Parrot. I like a Lactus Parrot. He looks so cute. Wow. Yo, what's up, big bro? Big bro, wanna eat? No, I'm not feeding big bro. He's way too scary. Those are my favorites. Holy shit, bro. Holy shit, no way. I think bro's angry. Holy shit, bro's angry. Oh, nah. Oh shit, he shouts. Bro, holy shit. Back again at the starting place. Yellow birds, they for everything. Where's my little bro? Where's little bro? Here's little bro. No, where's little bro? Bro, his cage is right here. Nah, bro, he went away. Nah, come on. You can see all the rabbits. Why did I say rabbits actually? That is, I meant to say parrots. Bro, he's scary as hell. Nah, I don't want to get him. That's my favorite. That's my favorite, bro. That's rainbow parrot. We've got another chill bro. Bro's eating something. Yo, bro, what's up? Kinda scared, but it's fine. I like parrots. Lil bro was a menace. Yeah, he destroyed my clothes. Dang it. Hello. Hello. Hello, parrot. Parrot. Hello. 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 He was saying hello. He was saying hello. He said it many times. Hello. Yo, bro. Hello. Steve. Hello. Hello. I think bro disconnected. Bro, hello. Come on, he's not saying hello again. Couldn't catch it on camera. Or did I? Hello. Anyway, says Badat. I say hi. see her rainbow face art. We got the final boss. We got it.
It's okay. If it's not.
Oh, I'm kind of scared. Actually, I'm really scared. No. I'm really scared of him. No. Okay. And we got a new toy. Look at this rainbow macaw parrot thing.